Well, we've packed up. It's time to go. We're gonna hit the road and go check out some cool stuff in Long Beach.
We had so much fun!
Do you really think this is the longest beach in the world?
I have no idea.
What are the odds that we would be in the area when they had a sand sculpting contest?
I just realized I can park way down here actually at the ocean, so I'm gonna run back and get the car and then go down there so we don't have to walk back with the kids all this far. Okay, I'm almost back to where I left them, so I'm gonna go find a parking spot. Then we don't have to walk back so far. I am reunited with the family. We're gonna go check out all these sculptures. This one looks like it's already been damaged a bit. Well, we've pretty much seen it all now. Next stop is gonna be to go find somewhere neat to eat. That's why they say all-wheel drive only at the beach. So we are here right now, and we just went out to this really cool little restaurant, and it is called Hungry Harbor Seafood Burger and Grill. And this place is popular. We got here right before the big rush came. Check it out.
Get on camera.
Look at that line. That's crazy. Apparently, this is the place to be.
Hey, you guys, we're gonna go over here. Try again.
You're a 5.
You're right, 5.
Okay, go over by Daddy.
She is so sad that she doesn't get to go on, but in a few years, honey, in a few years.
Nope, no bell.
Got one more thing we're gonna do. We're gonna go down and walk on this boardwalk down the ocean, and then we're gonna head home. Ah yes, the traditional almost get your destination and one kid tell you he's got to go to the bathroom. So backtrack again, another half mile. Me and the girls, we're gonna go walk on the top of this boardwalk here.
Devin, what do you have to say for yourself?
Alright, well we've done the boardwalk, we've done pretty much everything on this trip, except for flying a kite, which is kind of funny. But we'll do that next time. Okay, so this is absolutely crazy. I come to get in the car today, and look at this. That's bird poop inside the car. The only thing I can think of is that yesterday we had the windows open at the beach and it was windy, and a huge flock of birds flew over our car, and literally one must have just caught the wind perfectly through the window just to hit my seat.
Not a road trip unless someone throws up.
Oh, buddy. You feeling better now? Every single time we go on a big road trip, one of our kids ends up throwing up all over our car. We almost made it this time. And just to think, coming up pretty soon, we're driving to Bakersfield, California. I wonder who's going to be the first. Hey guys, if you haven't already, be sure and hit that subscribe button. And if you like our video, please make sure and hit that like button. Click here to see our previous video,